Bogdan Pisarek, owner of NCT Group. We specialize in insulation and drying of walls from private buildings to public historical sites. We perform all this using NCT technology, which allows our work to have a 30-year guarantee for dryness and being free of mold surfaces. Thanks to NCT technology, we are able to dry, insulate, and reinforce walls long-term for at least 30 years. We use water here, which crystallizes in the walls and provides enormous resistance to water pressure and other things related to the destruction of walls. We are a company that has been operating for over 30 years in the markets of Germany, Austria, and Poland. Our references include Schönbrunn Palace, where in the year 1995 we dried the arcades, strengthened the walls, or further the Parliament of the Republic of Austria. From other sites, the Warsaw Uprising Museum or the insulation of the Olympic pool in Wrocław. In these sites, the most important thing was drying them, strengthening them, and extending the warranty for 30 years for their functioning.